well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video we're going to be going through my Lush Halloween haul for 2024. Now you guys at home are probably thinking, Melody, the Lush Halloween stuff does not come out until the end of August. You would be correct. However, recently I went to a Lush event, which the vlog is coming, and they had all the Halloween stuff there and we got to purchase it. So I thought, you know what, sod it, let's just go feral and buy pretty much all of it. I didn't buy all of it, but I did buy a considerable amount. I also have a few things in here which are for my mum, so I have a few duplicates of stuff and I'm just going to share it all with you. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So I'm going to start off with all of the potted and bottled products, and then we're going to go into all the bath things. So the first thing I picked up was the Toil and Trouble shower slime. This one says it's a slippery peppermint and lavender slime with a lathering little bat tucked in the center. And I am not one for shower slimes normally, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I smelt this one in the shop. It went straight in my basket. It is so good. Ingredients wise, in this one you've got lavender flower, peppermint infusion, you've also got cornstarch, you've got iris oil, you've got coconut oil, you've got rapeseed oil, you've got sage oil, patchouli. It is just full of lovely ingredients, but the smell honestly is next level. I can't even describe it. Like, you can smell the sage, you can smell the patchouli, you can smell the peppermint, but that lavender really balances that all out, and it's so fresh. It's like got a mouth-watering smell, like I'm salivating smelling it. This is what it looks like, by the way. I really don't want to tip this on the carpet. I'm praying to the heavens. Okay, this is what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see it's a green slime with a little bat soap in the middle, which is so cute. A few years ago, it might have even been last year, we did have the Toil and Trouble scrub, which was so incredibly good. I don't know whether it was the same smell. I can't quite remember, but it did have a jelly bat in the middle. So anyway, this is the I just can't get my words out. This is the shower slime. Very excited about that. If you guys are a fan of the shower slimes, then definitely give this one a smell because it is so good. So good. Next up, we have a shower gel. Now, there were 3 shower gels in this range and I only picked up one. I feel very controlled. I mean, I didn't need another shower gel. I didn't need to buy this shower gel, but as soon as I saw the colour of this, I knew I had to have it. And that is the Scan Me for Scares shower gel. And this one says, follow the QR code for a truly, but I can't speak. Follow the QR code for a truly blood-curdling, spine-tingling shower experience. Cranberries give a thrill-seeking cleanse. Just don't forget to triple-check you locked the door behind you. This is what it looks like. Can you just look at this colour? Like, how unreal is that? You guys know I could not say no to this. It is beautiful. Ingredients-wise in this one, we have got things like fine sea salt, corn syrup. We also have vetiver oil, almond oil. We have cranberry and fruit, that's a hard word to say, cranberry infusion, and it smells, it's so good. This smells, I'm not gonna lie to you, it smells kind of like cola cubes. Like, it has that cola smell to it, which is really bizarre. Or is it cherry? Actually, no, I'm lying to you. Hang on. No, it smells like cherries. I don't know where cola cube came from. It smells like cherries, but I am actually yet to scan the QR code. So should we scan it together? I think we should. So let's give it a scan and see what it does together. Okay. Wow, listen. Okay, how fun. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into that a little bit more, but that is so fun. So yeah, that is Scan Me for Scares. It smells like cherries, not like cola cubes, and it is beautiful. Next up, I picked up 2 lip scrubs. I bought one for me and one for my mum, and I thought I would get one of each and then we can just both have either one. So the one that I picked up, I think, for myself is the Blood Orange lip scrub, and this has jojoba oil, blood orange oil, and Divana oil inside. But guys, the smell of this, I could, like, lick that whole thing. I mean, I feel like it's only fair if I do lick it. That's dangerous. That tastes so good. Oh, that's incredible. So this is the blood orange flavour and it is absolutely amazing. If you guys don't know what this is, essentially with the Lush lip scrubs, they are all made with natural edible ingredients, so you can take a tiny bit, scrub it on your lips and lick it straight off. Some people find that is gross because you are licking off your dead skin, but I love the taste of it, so I don't care. I'm really putting myself out there on the internet, but I lick it off. I love it so much. So that is the one I bought for myself, and I bought one for my mum as well, which is Bat Currant, which looks so good. I'm kind of jealous I didn't get this one too, but this one looks so good. It's a really beautiful kind of purple colour. I don't know if you guys can see. This one has things like shea butter, blackcurrant absolute, and coriander seed oil. I'm not gonna lick yours, mum. If you're watching this, don't worry. I did not stick my tongue in it, but I will smell it. Oh, that one is unreal. It kind of smells like a blackcurrant soother. Like, you know those cough sweets that have the syrup in the middle? It smells like that. That is delicious. Wow, okay. Mum, I hope you like it because it smells incredible. Okay, so now we are moving on to all of the bath products. So I did buy a few duplicates, as I said, because I wanted to get my mum a couple things, and I knew that some of them that I wanted she would want as well, so I did get a few duplicates. So because technically all of these products aren't being released until the end of August, I don't have labels on any of the products, so I can only tell you what it smells like in my opinion. I hope you guys don't mind. The first one that we have is the I Want My Mummy Bath Bomb, which is so cute. So this is what she looks like. She is so cute, and I think she was around £4, so definitely on the more kind of affordable side of the Lush bath bombs. But this is Nevermind the Ballistic scented. If you guys have never smelt Nevermind the Ballistics, imagine a really fruity, mouth-watering, kind of fizzy smell. Like, it's just so good and so fresh. I absolutely love the smell of this one. I was really worried when I saw the picture of this one that it was going to be Snow Fairy, but I'm so glad it's not, because I absolutely love Nevermind the Ballistics. So that is the first bath bomb I picked up. To be honest with you, I mainly picked it up because she was pink, so I just couldn't not. So that was the first one. The next item I actually picked up for my mum, and that is the Frankenstein bath bomb. This one is £6, and I believe it has things like pine and geranium in it, so it is a very fresh. That went up my nostrils, oh my goodness. Anyway, it has a very fresh, not earthy per se, but a very clean, crisp, fresh smell. It is so good, and look at his little face. Like, he's just so cute. I absolutely love him. Oh, just delicious. I don't really have much more to say about them because I don't have a big list of the ingredients, unfortunately, but it smells incredible and looks adorable. What more could you want in a Lush bath bomb? Then we have the Dancing Skeleton, which was £3.50, and this one is Angel's Delight scented, which, oh, it's just so good. Like, Angel's Delight, by the way, used to be a soap, and it was such a beautiful fragrance. The smell of it I can only describe is like sweets, like a bag of sweets. That's the only way I can describe it, but it's so good. And I have a feeling, does he glow in the dark? I have a feeling he may glow in the dark because he just looks, he has that kind of vibe, do you know what I mean? So I'll let you know on that, but oh, that's just so delicious. Oh, yummy. Love that one. The next product is one which I didn't initially feel like I needed to have one. I mean, because I did need all of these, but anyway, I didn't feel like I needed to have it. However, when I smelt it in store, I fell in love with it all over again, and that is the Pumpkin Crumble Bubble Bar. So this basically smells like autumn in a bubble bar. It is so good, and because it is a crumble, it has a lovely layer of like cocoa butter and shea butter in the middle, so it's really moisturizing. But this smell is Halloween, like, it is autumnal. I mean, I'm not gonna go on and on about how heartbroken I am that Lord of Misrule isn't here. I still can't get over it. It's quite an emotional topic, but this kind of, it scratches the itch, you know what I mean? Like, it does smell autumnal, it does smell delicious. I absolutely love it. So these work in the same way as a bubble bar, so you crumble a little piece under the tap and you get loads of bubbles, but these ones are just more moisturizing. So yeah, I love him, and he just looks so cute. I did have to dig deep to find a good one, so I feel like we did well with that one. And last but definitely not least is another bubble bar, and this one is a brand new product. This is the Witchy Woo Bubble Bar. So this has a similar style to the Comforter, to Brightside. It's a very big bubble bar. You could get easily 6 to 8 baths out of one of these. And this one is Zesty scented, which is it or is it not Collis? Am I wrong? Please let me know down below if I'm wrong, but this smells like Monster's Ball, which meant that I had to pick this one up. It is so good. Oh, it's delicious. This one I am absolutely just so excited to use. The only thing I didn't think about, and the only thing I'm now thinking about, is like, what colour will my bath go? I just poked myself in the eye. I'm feeling, is it going to go like a muddy colour? Is it going to be a dark green? I will keep you guys updated, but I'm really, oh, I want to eat it. I won't, but I definitely want to. So those are all of the products that I bought from the Lush Halloween range of 2024. I cannot quite believe we are saying 2024, but here we are. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe. If you haven't already, we have the Lush Covent Garden event vlog coming very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. And obviously let me know down below, what are you going to get from the range? Because I would love, love, love to know, and I'm just nosy like that. So let me know those down below. And yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.